Hi, Saoirse Ronan. Hi.
Hello.
You look confused.
So, I saw Natalie Portman and then I was trying to get up and not fall over and
Had you met?
too many things. Yeah.
You know her.
Well, she knows Greta. They work
Okay.
together.
And everyone's connected in that way.
Everybody's connected. We're all best friends. Brilliant.
Right?
Yeah.
So, Little Women, when you signed on to do it, what was the reason? I mean, obviously Greta and the team are amazing, but what was it that resonated with you? Why did you want to make this movie?
I think I really wanted to be in a film that had a bunch of girls in it. I hadn't really done that before apart from Mary Queen of Scots, and I had such a wonderful experience on that working with other girls my age that to get to do that again I knew would be very special, and it was, and we all sort of had to chip in and work together and rely on each other, and then just getting to play Jo March, it's like it's an iconic role, and she's been such a sort of inspiration for the likes of Patti Smith, J.K. Rowling, all these amazing writers over the years, and you know, to be kind of passed the torch for this film was genuinely a real honour. So
You and the whole group are remarkable, and we're so glad you made this movie. Thank you for coming by. Good luck.
thank you. Nice to see you.
Great to see you, Saoirse. Thank you very much.